Wait, before you ape into that meme coin just because it is trending on X, stop. The truth is that 90% of meme coin buyers end up losing their money simply because they fail to do their homework. So in this video, I'll be showing you 4 smart ways to research a meme coin before buying so you don't end up having a worthless bag. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I share tips on crypto, meme coin, motivation, daily quiz and Web3 strategies. So if you want to grow smarter in this space, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive straight in. Now, the first thing you want to look at is the community. Meme coins are powered by hype, and hype comes from the people. Head over to their X page, join the Telegram channel or Discord, and just watch. Ask yourself, are people genuinely excited, or is it just post spamming emojis? A real community has organic conversations, active modes, and real engagement. If the chat is dead, or they have 50,000 followers with no likes, that's a red flag. Before I continue, if you are looking for that authentic meme coin, watch out for number 3 and 4. Number 2, analyze the tokenomics, which is the backbone of any coin. So before you buy any meme coin, ask yourself these 3 questions. What is the total supply? What is the circulatory supply? And what is the market cap compared to similar coins? This is why this question is very important, because if a coin has quadrillions of tokens with no clear bond mechanism, there are high chances that the price will never move up. Also, you should check out for unlocks and massive developer wallets, because one big dump could wipe out smaller investors. Number 3, you have to review the team and the transparency. So now here you have to find out who is behind the project. Are the team doxed or anonymous? Also, you need to find out if the team has knowledge of crypto, or they are just random influencers creating pump and dump coins. Now, don't get me wrong, some anonymous projects have worked out, but in a case where there's no accountability, the risk goes way up. Note this: transparency builds trust. So if you cannot find a basic information about the dev, think twice before putting your money. At number 4, watch their trading data and liquidity. This particular one can save you from being stuck. So now what you have to do is head over to a tracker like CoinMarketCap or Desk Screener and check if this project is listed on multiple exchanges or is just traded on one small desk. Now ask yourself, how much liquidity is locked in the pools? Because if the liquidity is low, you might be able to buy, but you will never be able to sell without crashing the price. Also, check the smart contract. Has it been renounced, or do the devs still control it? Because if the dev can change anything at any time, you are exposed to a rug pull. So let's quickly do a recap. Before buying any meme coin, check the community, the tokenomics, the team, and liquidity. If any of these 4 areas look shady, that's your cue to a step back. Remember, healthy tokenomics means scarcity plus fair distribution. Meme coins can be very much profitable, but if only you move smart. Don't buy into hype, buy into research. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, comment on the meme coin you're watching, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.